Welcome back, guys. In the last video, we learned about request and response function and how dynamically they works in the practical world. Now, while mentioning that, I mentioned also that HTML is a constant programming language. So basically, that language does not change, but still, website actually remember us. So how does this happen? Let me try to explain the theory behind it. So there is a concept called of state, that is the situation at a particular point of time. So when it comes to HTML, it is constant, so there is no state involved. But when it comes to web, this is dynamic. So web is dynamic, but HTML is constant. Now what does it mean? Suppose I visit Amazon.com and I browse through mobile phones, and then I browse through mobile phones in my budget, and then I like one mobile phone, I added it to my cart, but I did not make a payment. So what happened in this case is I did browsing, but I did context browsing. There was a context involved in this browsing. I was going through a sequence of events, and all these sequence of events are known by my server. So this client makes your request to your server, and servers actually responds back, and then this client is actually doing some context browsing. So server, what it does is store this information and put this information back to client browser. Now this information which server is actually adding to the client browser is cookies, and these cookies help in identifying the client to the server when next time they start browsing. So next time when I make a request via my browser, because there are cookies in my browser which have been stored by server the last time, it will actually identify it will know that last time what I did, and in that basis it can actually find my information, and then on that basis only the website works. They identify you, and that's how they remember you, and that's how this whole digital marketing and ad programming works. So all this is very important in order to understand what we are going to do in the next upcoming classes. So yeah, that is all for this video. I'll see you in the next.